I suck at Beat Saber, and usually my buddy shows me off and he tells me a saying that goes, "Hold my beer." Now, a lot of people take that literally. Sometimes they're holding a drink, but I had an idea. What happens if you went to a Beat Saber level and you didn't have to put your beer or energy drink down at all? Now, this might sound really stupid, and it probably is. So I pulled out my old 3D printer I haven't touched in years. It is really janky and kind of messed up. So after embracing my college degree and putting hours of work into designing something, I came up with this, a Picatinny rail that pretty much mounts to the soda can, and your controller can slide forward and backwards. My idea was, well, it would be able to be adjustable. For the way I designed the lid, it kind of caused after the first swing to snap off. Our issue is because my 3D printer has to print the worst quality possible, the tolerances are pretty horrible. It was pretty bad, but to be honest, it only sent my controller flying once. However, the next version was a lot better. I don't know if this was because I was chugging energy drinks down like no tomorrow, or if I was actually starting to have fun embracing my community college degree. With this one, I actually used some inspiration from a couple different designs off Thingiverse because I really didn't have any tools to measure this properly, so I kind of just winged it. I found this cap, which I did take some measurements from and remake it, which actually worked really good, except for the 3 little click points were too big, so it was working too good. I was putting it on, but I couldn't take it off. Unless I want to use these permanently as grips, that was a no-go. But after doing that, we have this wonderful design. So I use Quest 2 controllers for this because I don't feel like breaking another Quest 3 controller, so the design just clips on and actually works really good. Now, this design was a lot better, but it did have some major pitfalls and issues. First off is I had to 3D print in 2 pieces because halfway through it would fail and start playing the GTA 5 death sound in my head. So to fix that and minimize waste, I just printed it in 2 pieces. I was going to super glue it together. Then I got lazy and realized I had double-sided foam tabs. It works. It holds on for dear life though. Second is it doesn't work with the Quest 3 controllers. Easier to mount a Quest 2 controller with a piece of Velcro that I stole from my gaming PC. And the other reason is I don't want to send a Quest 3 controller flying because those things are mad expensive. Instead, like an old Honda Civic with 500,000 miles, my Quest 2 controllers are like mini tanks that will get the job done. Third is you can't drink your energy drink while you're playing Beat Saber. And this is mainly because, well, there's a little bit of an issue that there isn't anything to prevent the liquid from coming flying out. And also it's technically weight adjustable then because the more you drink, the lighter it gets. So if you like a heavier controller, don't crack it open. If you like it light, drink it halfway and see how you like it. I actually did play some Beat Saber with this and it actually worked pretty good. You can swing it around pretty well. The only thing is, the next one I am gonna super glue down because these foam pads I don't really trust that much. I'm shocked these things are holding on this well. But the next one is gonna have support for Arizona green tea, sealed gasket so you don't gotta worry about spilling, and so much more. And of course, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this, and let me know any crazy accessory ideas you might have. And also don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.